So I'm here at a location. The customer states that the truck starts but doesn't crank. No, I'm sorry. The truck cranks but doesn't start. So I fixed the problem, but I just want to show you guys something to look at before, you get too crazy with it. This water fuel separator did not have any fuel in it. The fuel was maybe probably way below. When I turned this knob and I was able to go up and down with it, allowing the fuel to reach to the top of this fuel filter, then the truck started. This is a brand new truck, so from factory, they probably didn't prime the system, and that's all it was.